When cars were first introduced, they only had so many features. Over time, adding more and more became the standard, giving us the modern vehicle with, you guessed it, modern pricing that comes with expensive repairs. But darlings, listen up, because there's a way not to get stuck with the bill. Welcome to the CarShield era. For 20 years, CarShield has helped protect drivers from paying for car repairs that no one can afford. They have helped drivers save over $1 billion on repair costs. Yes, that's billion with a B.
CarShield is America's most trusted auto protection company. It helps get your covered repairs paid. Affordable monthly plans protect up to 5,000 parts and systems and offer nationwide protection with a network of local and trusted technicians.
I've saved over $20,000.
I've saved nearly $7,000.
You love your car. It gets you all the places you need to be. And with CarShield, you can get protection on your car, truck, or SUV with unlimited miles and peace of mind wherever you are.
Protect your vehicle from unexpected breakdowns with one simple call to CarShield. Get your free quote when you call right now.
It makes sense now more than ever to call CarShield. You'll even get exclusive access to the CarShield app where you can find everything you need the next time your car breaks down.
With CarShield, not only will your covered repairs get paid, each plan comes with nationwide 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options too, so you're taken care of from start to finish. Plus, when you call today, you can lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee.
It's time for you to step into the CarShield era, where drivers can drive what they want for however long they want. Call now to get your free quote and see how much you'll save on your next vehicle breakdown. Don't wait. Call now.
Get covered repairs paid. Call CarShield now for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.